G'day guys, here we go. Axes, not just sharpening knives or scissors. The axes always get a good going over, especially winter time. There we go, got a bit of damage there. Now, bear with me, let's get this sorted. Using water, heat steel, cool steel. Keep the edges even. Problem with the axes, they make a mess of my equipment. Good quality steel on this axe. Just clean it up, polish it up. There you go, remove the burr. Axe, sharpen up, ready to go. Slice through wood instead of bouncing back, hitting you in the head. All right, until next time, talk soon. Take it easy, bye.